Hello, this is Binny here. Today is about Straits Times Index STI. We saw that it dropped about 135 points as of now at 2 p.m. trading, about 2.76%. And this video is about discussing about STI and what this drop means for the short term, and also potentially on some of the technical movement of STI. So first thing, let's take a look at the price movement of STI for the recent period. So we've seen STI moving steeply. Okay, that was a very steep period of movement, and it's almost moved from about 4,000 straight to 5,000. So I have these blue lines here. So these are the support levels of STI. What it means is that if price is below this blue line, okay, which of course right now that is quite confirmed. There was first a bearish signal and then price retested the blue lines, and right now because of today's huge drop, it's firmly show that it closed below the set of blue support lines. Now what this means is that this whole steep uptrend has right now been broken, and that there could be a bit of a further move right to the next support level, where the next support level it's given by this level here. Now, in other words, right, based on the TED system, even if it is to 4,400, this is still considered an uptrend. So this is still an uptrend here, right? Even it is at 4,400, because this is the optimal point for the slightly more gentle trend to continue. I think that you will probably understand if I will draw in the equidistance channel. So this was that price movement of STI, like that, this type of a bit of a steep uptrend. So if I just do it a little bit tighter, you know that this is a steep uptrend. But it doesn't mean that by falling out of this equidistance channel, then the trend would reverse, right? It is still an uptrend, but it just means that it might move to a more gentle slope like this. So instead of that steep movement, it will move to this more gentle movement here, where the next level of support could be around here, which is still an uptrend. It's a more like steep, gentle, instead of a bit of a tilt up. This is probably a 45-degree line, and then the previous movement of STI could be in that 60-degree lines. This is what I mean by this. Okay, so the support level of STI based on my system is predicted at 4,400, and I think that there are a few reasons to support it, right? It's because based on RSI in the past, we've seen that STI has all along been supported along this level here, which is around the 50 level, but that 50 level had been broken. Okay, and we've seen that 50 level broken during April 2025, and that was when Trump released the news of the tariff, and it caused the STI to have a steep drop, and that steep drop brought RSI all the way to below 30, and that happened along this period here. And since the price had already broken below the set of RSI, which is right now what we are seeing, potentially we might see a further movement down where RSI might find support towards the oversold region. Now, a few things where that might be from the current level, which is 4,700, to find a support at 4,400. There might be sub levels that I want to highlight, and that sub level is somewhere around here. This is a sub level, which is 4,500. By itself, it's a round number 4,005, because we saw STI move to 5,000, and then the low where it starts its ascent, it's about 4,000. So in the midpoint, 4,005 could be potentially a support level, but at the same time that this 4,005 was also a high point of STI, and that stopped and pause for a while before heading higher. So we might see a support level about 4,508, as you see here, followed by a stronger level of support at 4,400. Alright, hope that this video is useful to give you a perspective of what STI is doing right now. So for example, if you do have a set of STI stocks, then short term you think that it might be bearish, then you want to hedge against your stocks, then there are instruments offered by SGX that provide that form of hedging, and that would be broadly the warrants and as well as the DLCs, and that's the daily leverage certificates. Now do go to the respective website, warrants.com.sg, and for example DLCs, Society General and UBS have have that DLCs and to go to their respective website to have a look and to understand whether the instruments can provide you a hedge in this falling market. That's all for this very quick video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I see you in the next video.